TalkTalk TV sponsors the X Factor. The wait is over. X Factor winner James Arthur and his incredible debut album featuring the huge classic single You're Nobody Till Somebody Loves You and the biggest selling hit single of all time, Impossible. James Arthur's incredible debut album. Paul couldn't help compare his television to his friends.